to the band. Yo, what the hell is that? Bro, what the fuck?
My fault.
They want the DJ. Bro!
I'm sorry.
Do they want the DJ?
I'll get them set up.
Yeah, let them set it up.
Yeah. Just set it up for right now.
Yeah.
Here, I'll hold it.
Why your fucking hiccups sounds like that?
What?
Sounds like shit. Yo, my nigga!
Make sure I don't press that button.
What? I'm sorry. Let me sit down. Let me sit down real quick. Is this glass wet? It is.
Yo, drink some water.
What water?
Hold your breath. Hold your breath. Hold your breath. You will feel so much better.